Hi, I'm Kenneth from Harmony Schools, and this is my STEM project, Balancing Birds. Okay. The physics behind the bird is the center of mass. There's two well-placed weights in the wings, and they are equal to the mass of the belly, causing it to make a stable equilibrium. It is known to defy gravity, but it doesn't defy gravity, it takes advantage of it. If you see, thanks to the wings' well-placed weights at the end of its wings, the center of the mass is located below the tip of the beak, allowing it to create a stable equilibrium. This is Harmony Schools. Thank you for watching.